Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is diabolos. Dear friends, Erene Humin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Kamaya, Salesian of Don Bosco. Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is diabolos. You heard it right, the word diabolos. In English, it is often translated as devil. Yung salitang diablo, di ba? At its root, it comes from the verb diaballo, meaning to slander, to accuse, to throw across. And thus, diabolos literally means the slanderer or the accuser. It describes one who divides, deceives, and sets people against one another. In the New Testament, we hear of the diabolos, the devil, tempting Jesus in the desert. When we read, the devil said to him, "If you are the Son of God, command this stone to become bread." And then in another passage, St. Peter warns. That's in 1 Peter chapter 5, verse 8. Your opponent, the devil, is prowling around like a roaring lion, looking for someone to devour. And when you look at both of these texts, this one from 1 Peter and the earlier one from Luke chapter 4, verse 3, they reveal the devil's mission to distract us from God, to sow doubt, and to destroy our faith. Now, from this word, we get English terms like diabolic and diabolical. Nakakatakot, no? Galing yan sa diabolos. Now, describing something evil or malicious, even some names like Diablo, di ba? Yung nabanggit ko kanina, they directly carry this Greek root. Now, for us Christians, the significance is clear. The devil is not just a symbol of evil, but it's a real enemy. Talagang kaaway siya, a real adversary. And yet we must remember, Jesus Christ already conquered him through the cross and resurrection. Our challenge is, do we resist the lies and accusations of the diabolos by standing firm in truth, prayer, and God's word? And here's our punchline. The diabolos divides, but Jesus Christ unites. And that's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto nyo maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.